In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp goals effectively to streamline your project management and ensure you stay on track with your objectives. Whether you're managing a team, working on personal projects, or looking to boost productivity within your organization, setting clear goals is crucial for success. Let's dive into how you can do this using ClickUp, a powerful tool designed to make managing your work simpler and more efficient. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to the ClickUp website. Here you're met with the home page that acts as your gateway to enhanced project management. Once you're ready, move your cursor to the login button to begin the signing in process. This is where the journey to setting up your goals begins. Upon clicking login, you're prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you input the email associated with your ClickUp account to avoid any login issues. After entering your email, the next step will ask for your password. It's essential to ensure that your password is entered correctly. Remember, it's case sensitive. Having filled in your login credentials correctly, you will click on the Login button. This action will transport you directly into the heart of ClickUp, bringing you one step closer to setting your goals. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the home dashboard of your ClickUp workspace. ClickUp organizes workspaces by your team or company's name, which helps in keeping all your work neatly organized under specific labels. Look for the More option on the left-hand navigation. This is your pathway to a myriad of additional features ClickUp has to offer, including the Goals feature, which we are focusing on today. After clicking on More, locate and select Goals. This action reveals the Goals dashboard, a centralized place where all your objectives will be tracked and managed. To get started with setting a new goal, you'll find an inviting Set a Goal button waiting for your click. This is where the real fun begins. Clicking on Set a Goal opens up a dialog box where you're prompted to name your goal. This name should encapsulate the essence of what you're aiming to achieve. It could be anything from Q4 sales target to website redesign completion. The name of your goal will serve as a constant reminder of what you're working towards, so make it meaningful. Moving on to setting an end date, this is where you determine the time frame for achieving your goal. Setting a realistic end date is crucial, as it gives you and your team, if applicable, a clear deadline to work towards. It also helps in pacing the tasks and subtasks that will lead to the accomplishment of your goal. Adding a description to your goal is an optional but recommended step. This is your space to elaborate on your goal, define its scope, and perhaps delineate the key milestones. Although optional, providing a description can enhance clarity and understanding, especially if you're collaborating with others. Once you've input all necessary information for your goal, including the name, end date, and an optional description, you'll click on OK. This action saves your goal and adds it to your goals dashboard within ClickUp. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of setting a goal in ClickUp, but setting the goal is just the beginning. The real progress is marked by actively working towards it, tracking your progress, and making necessary adjustments along the way. Remember, goals in ClickUp are not set in stone. They're meant to be flexible, allowing you to update them as your project evolves or as new priorities emerge. In conclusion, setting goals in ClickUp is a straightforward process that can significantly impact your project management effectiveness. It helps in aligning your team, focusing your efforts, and tracking progress towards critical milestones. Whether you're a solo user or part of a larger team, leveraging ClickUp goals can bring structure, motivation, and clarity to your work. Remember, the key to achieving your goals doesn't just lie in setting them, but in the actions you take thereafter. Use ClickUp's robust features to break down your goals into manageable tasks, assign responsibilities, and monitor progress regularly. Happy goal setting, and here's to a productive journey ahead with ClickUp.